Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel, quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have a look at next weekend's weekend deal, and it's a good one. It's free gift weekend with some good gifts. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping and checking out the merch store and just supporting the channel in general. I appreciate all the HARBROs and HARBROettes. But let's look at it. Just a reminder, Generator Days is still going on right now. 25% off the covers and wheels. We did this about a week ago. We're the first one to release it. 20% off all generators. Good deals there. Of course, our 10 days of deals. We had day 1, day 2 today for the 35% off all hoses and reels. There's an instant savings, double stack possible, and then 30% off Earthquake XT. And then Sunday, 35% off all Matics. But today we're going to go over the free gift weekend starting May 10th. Starting May 8th, going through May 10th. So let's look at it. For everybody, of course, super coupon free gift with any purchase of $34.99 or more. It's limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Of course, the HARBROs know how that works in store. It's more of a suggestion unless you're in one of those 1 out of 100 stores that follows everything by the book. Anyways, be nice to your store managers. Be nice to your store associates. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Double check your coupons. Double check your receipts. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid 8th through the 10th. Receive 1 free gift from the following items. It's the 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket, the 30 caliber ammo box, or the Icon lifetime guarantee professional socket adapter set 4-piece with the minimum purchase of $34.99, excluding taxes. After applying any other applicable offers or discounts, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, excludes ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items and gift cards. Coupon required for non-members, inside track club members receive discount at register. Other restrictions may apply. We've had this. I think this came up in some of our other videos. This is the Icon adapter set, 4-piece. Excellent. So we'll do a deep dive, but we'll look at the ITC version. And this is where it pays off to be an ITC, because if we did a video about this a few months ago, where just in free gifts like this, if you only go once, you're going to get about $100 worth of free items. If you only go once for the 1 gift, if you go multiple days, you're getting about $300 worth of items throughout the year. And the membership is only $30. And that's not including any discounts you get on some deep discounted tools on flash days, ITC, early access, parking lot sale. Anyways, makes it sound like if I'm working for Harbor Freight. I'm not. They're against me a little bit. Limit 1 usage per customer per day. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid 8th through the 10th of May. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Receive one of these 3 free gifts with any single purchase. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. No cash value. Non-transferable. Excludes inside track club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. So any free gift for ITC with any purchase. We'll go over what you should get. But let's do a little bit of a deep dive. First, looking at the metal. Is it the metal one or is it the plastic one? Sorry, let me double check. I think it's the plastic one. Here we go. The Bunker Hill 30 caliber ammo box. It is the one in the advertisement. $5.99, $6 value compared to Plano. This sturdy ammo box, dry box, protects ammunition, electronics, and more. 11,000 reviews, in stock and banning, 90-day warranty, 4.7 out of 5 stars. 97% of people recommend it. Perfect for my project. Look at what they've done to these ammo boxes. I use them for making portable power stations. They are built durable enough for making these power stations. The handle holds the 8 pounds very easily. I use them for storage too, but mainly build these little powerhouses. That's awesome. Makes a great battery box. I guess everyone's using them for battery boxes? Say what? Look at this contraption. Leonardo da Vinci, bro. Perfect size. I bought these boxes because they fit perfectly in my gun safe. I can stack them long ways from the front to the back and safe and be able to close the safe door. Perfect size for my power box for fishing. So a lot of people are using them for power boxes. Interesting. Great ammo storage. Great. Can store whatever you need. Watertight and stackable. I use them to store all types of ammos. I have no ammo. Multi-purpose box. Affordable ammo storage. I've bought several of these to store pistol ammo. They hold up well, but work best for smaller calibers. Will easily hold 600 rounds of 9mm boxed, but only about 6 boxes of 45. Great for storing loose ammo after reloading though. Simple and effective. I've recently purchased 8 of these and I've gotten back into reloading. handy little box. So these are clearly a HARBRO favorite. Awesome project boxes. It works great. I like everything about it. That is awesome. Anyways, we can go through 1,000 of these. Can't beat for the price. And for the price of free, that's even tougher to beat. Even tougher to beat. So that's starting great. Bunker Hill Security, 30 caliber ammo box, $6 value. Great option. Next, $9 value. The Franklin 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket. I mean, ammo box, I guess, didn't sound too exciting, and neither did moving blanket, but let's see what the HARBROs do compared to Pratt Retail Specialties. This moving blanket covers and protects a variety of items. Seems pretty straightforward. Look at that texture. Look at those inseams. And let's look. Does this even have a warranty? 90 days, of course. 7,200 reviews. 96% recommend, and additional blanket uses. Have it stored under their stairs. Okay. Excellent. Used for a car insulation and door speakers. That's different. It's pretty smart. Used for car insulation and doors speaker. Embedded with staples. Okay, that's a little bit annoying. Windshield cover. Folded in half and with grommets. Installed at the corner and held in place with bungee cords. The moving blanket serves as an excellent insulation against icy windshields. Great product, great store. I used to cover tall plants during the recent freeze. Much more than just moving. Great protection. Purchased to transport bikes in the back of our airplane. Great protection. Pleased. I like the price and quality. Very heavy and thick. They did have some sewing threads loose and coming undone, but that doesn't affect the use. Again, 90-day warranty. If you see that it's bad, just exchange it. To be free from defects. Look at this HARBRO moving blanket, bro. Look at how many they have. Great blankets. We have used Harbor Freight moving blankets for years. They are great for the money and last. They have like 100 moving blankets. They must be moving a lot. Additional blanket uses. Oh, they use it as a door cover. That's interesting. Great price. Point for size. Used these for sound deadening. A music room works decent. They use it for everything. This makes sense. Use it in your garage. This came in handy as I've been working on my vehicle and I laid it across my rubber mats and it really helped when the ground is cold. It was nice to receive a free gift. So they got it as a free gift, which is what we're about to do. Great value. I buy these when they're on sale. I use them for everything from moving and protecting equipment to protecting car interiors, just as good as the more expensive ones. I lay on this. All right. I think that's excellent uses. I'd go through them all. They're all super interesting. $9 value, free gift next weekend. Franklin 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket. So far, so good. And I was saving the best for last, but those two have been amazing. Next, Icon professional socket adapter set. Now, this isn't going to be as clever uses, but this is a $17 value. And it's Icon alert. $17. Change socket drives without changing tools. $17. And this is a lifetime guarantee for a free gift. Lifetime guarantee for a free gift. I mean, you don't need to say much more than that. $17 value, lifetime warranty. 98% of customers would recommend this item. So 98% of customers would say, hey, I'd pay for this. But let's look at the, all right, here and there, broke one, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, but good thing it's a lifetime guarantee. So that doesn't faze me. And this says Pittsburgh. What? Who's posting this? Who's posting this on the Icon professional socket adapter set? It says Pittsburgh. I don't believe it. Great price, but one broken. Good thing it's lifetime warranty. Good quality. New favorite brand? Always favorite brand. Snap-on who? Well, there's not too many pictures of it, but 98%. Pretty much like Hans Niemann. The tool speaks for itself. $17. Change socket drives without changing tools. Icon. And those are the free gifts. Again, May 8th to May 10th. Now, I'm going to go in the sense of there's two ways you're going to get this. This is starting May 8th. So this is going on during the 10 days of deals. We're not 100% sure what's going to be going on the 8th, 9th, and 10th, but you'll have a chance to go in each day and get your free gifts. I think the biggest issue is going to be if Harbor Freight is able to stay in stock of these items. I think that's been the biggest issue. They run out of stock so quickly. Harbor Freight. I'm in logistics, but they run out of stock, and so I think that'll be our biggest issue. But assuming they're not out of stock, this is what the HARBROs recommend. Taking a look at instant savings, and we'll just sidebar instant savings, double stack your deals. Today, the Merlin 1/4 inch 100-foot polyurethane air hose is 22% off already. It's already 22% off. And then here they have it. Here it's perfectly on the screen. 35 bucks already, down from 45 bucks. And then you're going to get it down. I know we digress a little bit, but at 35 bucks and you're going to get another 35% off, get it down to 22 bucks. So basically a hose for 50% off. Even if you don't need it, maybe pick it up. Let's see how the HARBROs are using this hose. Oh, I think we looked at this in the previous one, but coiling hose, decent, like all poly 1/4-inch hoses, great for roof installing. Anyways, looks like it's great use. HARBROs love it. And at 50% off, it's a good chance. Don't forget HARBROs. This, I don't think maybe somebody else has said it, but 50% off this hose, pick it up. Anyways, this is where we will start, is the 10 days of deals. What is this going to be? Day 8, day 9, day 10, or day 7, day 8, day 9? Look for the deal of the day. That'll get you likely at least to the super coupon level. Spend 35 bucks, you're getting your deal of the day. So that'll line up well. If you're ITC and then you don't like the deal of the day, you only need to make a minimum purchase. Now we always start off for the HARBROs. They've increased it in price recently, but we start off with the pencil. Now if you're a HARBRO, you probably have like 10 or 20 of these pencils already. 7-inch, well-sized carpenter's pencil, 79 cents. It'll get you in and out of the door at Harbor Freight with the $17 value icon professional adapter set. So you're going to go out with this and a pencil. Not a bad deal. Or this goes on sale often, but even at 99 cents is not a bad deal. You get your 99-cent Harbor Freight 55-pound, 19-gallon double XL bag, and you put your socket set, your moving blanket, or your ammo box, and you're walking out at $1. Walking out at $1 with your free gift. Now the dollar days, there will be new dollar days coming out. These are going through the 6th. We'll go over, of course, the one starting the 7th, and we should go over those pretty soon. But dollar days are always an excellent option to combine with your free gift weekend. And then just in general, if you want to they just released another few options of the new G2 ratchets. You're going to be spending a lot more than just $1. But if you're going in, making a purchase, might as well line it up with getting one of the free gifts that Harbor Freight is offering. So not too bad to go with some new tools. There's the new 1/2-inch G2 18-inch long reach flex head. There's the new G2 1/2-inch drive 18-inch long reach with comfort grip. Then the G2 1/2-inch drive 12-inch standard ratchet. The G2 1/2-inch drive standard ratchet with the comfort grip. The long reach flex ratchet with comfort grip. Then there's just the flex ratchet 1/4-inch, 6.5-inch, and so on and so forth. One of the new stubby flexes, and even a new Hercules 20-volt cordless variable speed resurfacing conditioning tools now out. But anyways, HARBROs, I'll leave it at that. A lot of deals going on right now. Predator days still going on through the 3rd. 10 days of deals. Today we have our all air hoses, Earthquake XT. Don't forget to stack your deals where you can. Let me know if you're going to get this blue polyurethane hose from Merlin. And then, of course, next weekend starting May 8th, which will line up with the 10 days of deals, free gift with any purchase, super coupon and ITC, the ammo box, icon, adapters, or the moving blanket. Let me know which ones you're excited about. I saw some great uses. And as always, HARBROs, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. Checking out the merch store. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.